Hello and welcome back to the PC Master Gaming channel. Today I'm going to be playing Bedwars again. So, since this is actually quite a fun one, and I think lots of you really like this, I'm going to continue making videos about this series. Also, make sure you comment if you want me to do any other one. So without further ado, let's go. So, we have a barbarian on our team, and it's cracked it. And so, if you saw on my last video, well, I posted two at the same time, but if you saw in the video, that was not the ultra long one. God, I hate that kit. Damn it, didn't you hate that kit? Actually, it costs so much money. That kit. Did my teammate leave? Bro, just get out. No, down. I'm down, chat. I'm down. Chat, we cook. Chat, we cook. Is it broken? No. Where'd he go? Okay, chat. Everyone saw that. This guy just did not take full damage, chat. Okay, that's good. We cook. We cook. No chat, no chat. Okay, chat, I'm reporting this guy. Like, what? Like, you chat saw. Hey, by the way, this is a tech question for you, my viewer. What do you think about ChatGPT's new £200 a month pro subscription? Write your answer down in the comments. £200 is what it costs. So make sure you remember that. Sorry about that. I'm just a bit too good at this game. Sorry, I'm just a bit too good. Yep, we're gonna cook, chat. We're gonna cook. So let's see. Oh no, we're facing the same person. You're kidding me. You know what, chat? I'm doing a win streak 1v1 after this, chat. Also, how did this guy break it so fast? This guy's him. Chat, we're literally playing with him. Okay, chat. We're not. No, I'm ready something everyone hates. Actually, no, I'm not gonna camp in the iron generator. Chat. He's on me, chat. He's on me. Get ready. But my teammate can my teammate hold him off? No! My teammates are actually useless. But if he dies, he's not gonna get him. Nah, this guy's a hacker beyond belief. It's not even a thing. Yet he made it a thing. That's it, chat. That's it, chat. I'm giving up, chat. Yeah. Chat, we know. We all know. We all know. Okay. So since this has been such a sketchy thing, we're gonna do something that I dominate in. No, it's not domination. Where I dominate domination. We're playing Win Streak 1v1. So next one, Win Streak 1v1. We're gonna cook in this. Okay, it's not loading it. People are too scared to face me. Oh, that must be the only reason. Right, chat. Right, chat. God, 33 seconds. Damn, I don't know how's this good. Okay, chat. If it's 4 minutes and I don't get a match, we're gonna go back to. Oh, I just jinxed it, didn't I? Oh well, chat. Oh well. Chat. By the way, if any of you want to 1v1 me in Bed Wars, I'm down. Okay? I'm down. My first. If I'm versing a really annoying person, I will literally. Okay, Charles Triton. Damn it. But this guy doesn't need blocks. Okay, chat. God, my screen is fucking. Okay, chat. We're gonna cook this man. We're gonna cook, chat. Come on. If you want me to win, like and subscribe. Also, most of our viewers are not subscribed, so if you want to make sure these videos are better quality, and also if you want me to be able to like get kits that cost 15,000 Robux. What? You're not good, okay? Like, you can be as fancy as you want. I'm just gonna camp in my generator, which I know it's frowned upon. It's a very frowned upon question. But who cares? This is my channel. This is my channel. I can do what I want. But this guy really thinks he's him. He's actually a tryhard. But he doesn't even try hard. A tryhard that doesn't try hard. Okay, nice. Nice chat. We win, chat. We win. I'm gonna need to. Bro. Is this guy even trying? Bro. My guy, you're not good. You are not good. Okay? If you want to get better, channel peace. Oh god, my caps lock's on. Yeah, gotta do some active promotion. Okay. Yeah, it's got 20 subs. That is a problem. Right now, we only have 20 subscribers. But I want to make sure, but I want it to be I need it better. We need more subscribers. So I'm aiming right now for 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers. If you want to make me happy, like, subscribe, and share this with all your family and friends. Okay. Phew. Also, I'm seeing here on my stats page that most of my videos aren't actually getting liked at all. And in fact, I'm actually getting a dislike, which is very sad for me. So whoever you are that disliked, if you'd please comment what I've done wrong, that would be very helpful. So I'd like to know. I've been failed to connect to the game. Okay, that was a problem, but it's fine. Maybe just Bedwars couldn't handle my skill. Maybe that's the answer? I mean, that probably is the answer. Okay, so what else? Should we do? No, I'm not gonna do Lasso Wars actually. Let's do. I'll do duels. No, yeah. Let's carry on with duel. Let's do duels. Yeah, okay. I'm doing duels. I'm gonna. Okay, okay. Let's see. What are we dealing with? Oh my god, I feel so out of place by not being a barbarian. Hey, should I be a barbarian next game? Hey, you know, if you want me to live stream, I will live stream. If you want me to. In fact, yeah, I will live stream. Okay? Because my videos they have no processing in them. I just show you. I just record the best, and I make sure that it is the best quality. That, but I don't use camera. Oh god, no, I don't use any sort of camera or anything like that. I don't have any fancy equipment or anything. I don't even have a microphone. I don't have any. I haven't splurged on a microphone. Literally, my microphone is my monitor's microphone, which might seem a bit weird. But that's what it is. And this guy wants to get my bed. You're not good, bro. You're not a good risky. Okay, chat. We cover the bed, chat. We cover chat. Can you guys comment if you've ever been on a cruise ship? It's a very random thing to comment, I know. It's just that, actually, I don't want to spoil the fun. But let's just say a cruise ship might actually be coming up in a video. Okay. It might be. I'm not guaranteeing anything. Damn, I suck. And make sure you guys. Okay, Okay. Yeah, we're gonna win chat. We're gonna win chat. Nice. I got. Oh, I didn't even know I've got armor, to be honest. I still have to. Okay, come on, chat. We win chat. We win chat. Nice. This guy dropped his emerald, which I realised why I'm not. That killed me. You know what, chat? I have not got a grappling hook in so long. Like, grappling hooks, like, comment if you actually remember that they were in the game. Or ever actually, or you know, comment if you bought one. Because I have not bought one since Bedwars came out. No, okay, so don't do. But I have been playing Bedwars for much longer than anyone here, probably in this chat as well. Chat, okay, I should have got the diamond down, but it's for you. In fact, at the time of this recording right now, after this, I'm gonna finish this video after I end these people at this game, and then I'm gonna live stream to you. So hopefully I get a lot of viewers, but if not, that's fine. Okay. This guy just wants our bed, chat. He wants the bed. Chat, we have to get up there. Very dangerous. Okay, chat, I'm gonna do the one. You know, but my teammate tried to TP. Chat. Okay, chat, we win, chat, we win. I'm not losing, okay? I'm not losing. Especially not on my live stream, which I will. I promise I will live stream for you. Okay, chat. Damn it, chat. Come on, do you think I should be really annoying or not? Okay, damn. Damn. Okay, I'm so scared. I'm literally physically convulsing out of my scaredness. But this guy's actually so bad, it's funny. But have you guys seen how Tanker played when he had Oh, guys. Okay, that's kind of deserved. Like, comment if you think I was deserved. But I personally think that was deserved. I mean, he tried to kill me. Okay, chat. We win, chat. We win, chat. Yeah, chat. We win! Okay. Well, I'm going to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. See you again next time.